Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can make a velocity effect in CapCut. So just tap on new project, select your video you want to edit, and I already have a project here. So I need two options. You can create velocity effect. So first one, just tap on the clip and you can select style button, swipe to the right. So you can see this auto velocity template here. Just tap on it, waiting for generating. So you can just pour the interpolate between 2 bit here. And here we go. And for the second one, you can adjust for the speed. Just tap on the clip, select speed button. You can select for the normal or curve option here. For example, just click curve and select this template here. For example, montage. You can adjust for the velocity here. So for up to faster and down to slower, like so. Okay, just click check marks. So that's how to make a velocity edit with CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.